First, remove the plastic caps from the handlebar stem and hand grips. These 3 plastic caps may then be recycled. Next, slide the scooter deck down onto the front wheel assembly. Make sure to align the holes on the deck with the holes on the front wheel assembly. To secure the deck to the front wheel assembly, insert the longer non-threaded M6 by 57.7 bolt through the bottom hole on the front wheel assembly. The bolt will fit into the oval molded shape on the left side of the front wheel assembly. Insert one M6 by 12 screw into the hole on the opposite side of the front wheel assembly and tighten using the provided 5mm Allen key. Next, insert the shorter non-threaded M6 by 48.7 bolt through the top hole on the left side of the front wheel assembly. Insert the second M6 by 12 screw into the opposite side and tighten using the 5mm Allen key. Fit the front wheel cover over the top of the front wheel assembly. Then, flip the scooter deck over. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble all 6 of the M4 by 14 screws onto the underside of the scooter's deck. Next, slide the hand grips into the top of the handlebar stem. Insert the 2 M4 by 26 bolts into the handlebar stem and tighten these bolts using the provided 2.5mm Allen key. Push the handlebar stem into the deck of the scooter with the stem's pin facing the left-hand side. You will hear an audible click when it is fully in place. To adjust the handlebar, open the nylon clamp on the handlebar assembly and raise the handlebars to a comfortable height for the rider. To tighten the nylon clamp, you may do so by turning the hand screw or by using the large Allen key. To detach the handlebar stem, push in the pin above the left wheel while pulling up on the handlebar. You are now ready to roll.